minutes before, okay? Make sure that you checked out with your card before you go outside. And of course, when you get back in, make sure you check back in.
Hi guys, day 2 namin. City tour na ulit. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Hindi ko masabi yung lugar. Pero punta kami sa museum na parang self-music ba yun?
Hello. Good morning everybody.
Magdala kayo ng payong.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
Nastatic ako eh.
Oh.
So, yun ang accident.
Ganda. Doon kami sasakay sa may train na yun. Bon!
Naman nakasakay na sila.
Nasaan?
Ayan.
Ayun, sumakay na tayo dyan.
Ay, tigil dyan ka. Pipicture kita dyan kung nakasakay ka. Nakasabit ka sa train. Dali, oh, ayan lang. Ganyan ka na. Ayan. Okay. Ana, okay.
Dali na kayo, dali.
Huwag na. Okay, alika na. Ay, thank you, ma. Asan na si ano? Oh, sige, nag-hiking po. Tayo mo kang giniginaw kayo. Kami mo nanginginig. Thank you po.
Bon.
Nagkakilado ba ito? We are on board the city train. Good morning to all of you.
You should make a mental note of the Rheingau Gude, or also Eigude. Well then, Gude folks, and welcome to our ride with the Rüdesheimer Winzer Express. When the old Carillion sound comes from the tower of the Rüdesheim Castle, small sparks of joy fly, and sometimes even tears of joy begin to run.
Alya! Bakit di mo chinarge?
Mga buto ang ito ito ang gusto ng birang ko.
Okay lang kahit pita. Okay lang. Ikaw rin po, marami rin po yung tiyangka. Pa.
Mamangiti naman kayo dyan. Yung magagandang dealer na Revis ko. Sorry. guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa isang small na parang coffee museum nila. Meron kaming coffee tasting ng German coffee daw nila. So, let's see later. Ano lang? Hindi ka na nagsalita. Ulit mo. Ano gagawin? Ikaw na nagsalita. Magkakape daw kami. Dito sa Rodesiay. Nandun po. Yan, dito nakikita ko na yun. It's our second day here in Germany and we are here in Rodesiay. Diba, Alia? Rodesiay? Oh, hindi sabi ko sa vlog ko kanina, hindi ko siya masabi.
If anyone needs to use the restroom afterwards,
hindi ko rin masabi.
It's just in the corner
Rodesiay.
over there. Okay,
Rodesiay, yeah. Famous for the coffee and the self-playing instrument museum. So that's what we'll check out later. Okay, see you later.
Along the river, but it is a very historical building from 1729. So we have here a long history, many traditions, and I could tell you all the stories about that place. But then you have to skip your cruise and spend the next 25 hours with me. So then I could tell you all the stories. But in the time of 1729, it was owned by the Archbishop of Mainz. And all the people from the whole area, they had to come here to pay their taxes. So you're the lucky ones who come for the coffee instead of paying taxes. I would say this is a much better choice. But also...
Cream ata yun. Yung chocolate.
After Titanic, where it's
Alia, inumin mo na. Anong last? Nasang Alfonso na may Nescafe. Nasang lasay alak. Sarap. Pwede na.
Yung pala coffee.
Yung bunso ay 1925.
Plaka, parang plaka.
Kasi, was a little girl, will I be pretty?
I can also play something slower, maybe. That's a little better. Well, that's for winding back the rolls, because you can also play it with the paper rolls.
Sa part 3. Kaya magsalita ka na. Sabihin mo, nasa cable car. Hi! Nasa cable car kami. Ito si Alia. Medyo ninenervous ako. So good. Ang lamig. Ito yung mga house. Sobrang lamig. Ito yung mga vineyard ba? Yeah, it's mga vineyard here. So beautiful. May ibang video pwede hindi naman magsasalita lang. Okay. Yung mag-video ka ng paharap tapos yun na siya. Alia, ikaw naman yun. Wala na. Makikita mo yung dahil may na lahat eh. We're bracing out. Bracing in. Kasi may pwede na ang in. Pwede bracing lang. It's bracing! Oh, okay na yun. May statue doon. Medyo pa malapit na. Malayo pa po. Hindi makikita. Hello, Minto. Oh my God! Ayan ang kuryente. Gusto ba siya takbo yun? Naramdaman niyang galit ka. Natural lang sila. Wala siya ko pera-pera. Sa hindi siya nag-aantay. Baka nilibre siya nila, Rodel. Nandun na tayo sa nilibre, pero hindi ba nakakaiyan? May binili ko. Isang pera. Na ano?
Now, what do the people do here? Because they were asking me, is it a residential? It is actually residential, but don't forget, we are pretty...
Hindi mo lang narinig yun. Dami na yung order.
Doon po rinig na rinig sa taas. Yung sinasabi. Sa harap. Hello guys. Andito kami ngayon sa barko. Gumagalaw na kami. Parang may medyo tour din na sinasabi kung ano yung mga nadadaanan namin. Ayan. Dito ako ngayon sa terrace. Medyo malamig sa taas. Yun, pinakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung makikita sa taas. Pero so far, so good. Mga bandang before dinner daw, nandun na ulit kami sa iba pang area na pupuntahan namin. So yun, ang ganda dito. Medyo malamig. Ang sarap anuhin, i-absorb kasi alam kong pag uwi ko wala na to. So ayun, update ko na lang kayo later guys. Bye-bye! Ayan daw yung village of Lorelei. So ayan. Ganda, mga residential houses daw. Ayan si Mama.
One castle, also from the inside, looking like it used to look like in the medieval times. So they even have medieval toilet in there. So everything is basically as it used to be. So obviously now it's a museum you can go and visit. This is, some of them they had the title as a city. You see it's like 50 buildings, but they were so rich. And remember what I told you at the beginning, the registry of your ship. So the one which just passed us, we know that it was Dutch. So if you've seen the Filipino flag on the front, that means monuments. We don't have tolls anymore on the river. But we also don't really transport any more merchandise, what they used to transfer in the 1100s. No, this is just a monument, a historic monument. You can actually go in the summer, you can see on the other side there's a small port, like a small boat brings you over for €2 and it's a museum inside. But structures, which is the oldest version to build. So those are the oldest ones. So out of the, I think it was originally 16 if I'm not mistaken, 14 of the towers are still standing.
Sino isa?
Let them know we are the hour of tranquility. We have right now we have 105 guests, 40 odd crew members, and we are going to pass. Yes, take ticket. We studied the same thing, and that's why it's so important we know how many there are on. That's why we always ask you to swipe in, swipe out, just in case you miss the boat, etc. Yes, if you look on the left.
Wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So, nakadak ulit kami. We're here in
Robrenzi.
layover lang before Cologne. So, maglilibot lang kami. May free time kaming konti.
Yes.
So, we'll check na lang.
Sana pwede
and update you guys. Bye-bye.
And we are going to paint the city red.
Ayan.